Hi friends, my name is Harshada Kishore Wadle. I have completed BENTC in Keystone School of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's Viva topic is a recursion in Java and today's date is a 13th January 2022. Basically, the recursions is used often open Java and recursion is also used often open a Java programming language. And the basic concepts open recursions is the method of calls of itself continuously is the basic concepts of recursions. What is the definitions of recursions? The recursions is the basically in the recursions is the Java process in which method calls itself continuously. So it is called as a recursions in Java. The recursions is the code compact say. What is the uses of a recursion in Java? Basically, the recursions is use of an algorithm in the program say. And the recursions is also use of the easily results of the code and then executed also use it. And the recursions is also used in order say, pre-order say, post orders tree maps say, it is in a use. After that, what is the syntax of an recursions in Java? Basically the syntax is the return types of a method name, then curly braces, then code will be executed, and after that insides of the curly braces is the method of a name. The method of a name is the same of the class name. So it is the syntax recursion. What is the types of recursion? Basically, there are two types of the recursion. One is the direct recursion and second one is the indirect of the recursion. The first one is the indirect recursion. The indirect recursion, the functions of the functions calls of the same of functions, so it is called as directs of the functions. And indirect of the functions is the functions of functions calls of the difference of the functions, so it is called as the indirects of the functions. This is the basic two types of the recursions. After that, advantages and the disadvantages. First is the discuss about advantages. The advantages is the recursions code is the simples of code, and the recursions of the code is the easily executed, and the simples of the returns of the code. And the recursions of code is the basically use of tree list, tree maps, and then travels of the trees. It is the basics of the uses. What is the disadvantages of recursions? The disadvantages of the recursions is the recursions of the every recursions code returns of the iterative, and this iterative it's also true. The second disadvantages of the recursive of the code is the recursive of the code is the greater space is the requirement. Then third one is the every recursive of the functions in Java is the greater times is also required, because of the it is code will be executed and it is returns of the overhead, so it is the use of greater of the times. And this is the recursions in Java. That's all. Thank you.